We're on Daf Gimel Amid Beis. Imitzila b'mes chamur. I know why, said the Chachamim. We know why the mechitza is matzil in the case of mes, because tumas mes is called tumas ohel, right? The Torah says kiyova ba'ohel. Shekain cholkim b'ohel. It's very normal and anticipated that when you have an oil, you put up a mechitza in the oil and divide it up into two. You sleep on that side, and I'll sleep on this side with a mechitza down the middle. And therefore, everything is considered on one side of the mechitza as a separate oil. We put up the mechitza to function and separate two parts of the oil as if they were two oil. And therefore, the mess can only be mitame that which is in the same oil, but not which is in a different oil, tatzil. And therefore, anything on the other side of the mechitza is not affected and not contaminated by the tumor of the corpse that's on this side of the mechitza. However, sheretz in a kli cheres hakal, but ein chalukim kli cheres. Normally, when you have a tanur, which is a kli cheres, it's not the normal thing to put up, some sort of mechitza and divide the tanur into parts. And therefore, even if he went in and he did so, and he set up a mechitza inside this kli cheres, inside this tanur, we're going to consider that which is on the other side of the mechitza to be considered still betocho. It's still inside the tanur, and the sheretz is metame, even the kalim that are inside and on the other side of the mechitza. So therefore, the Gemara asks, "Hatenach l'Rabbanan, l'Rabbi Eliezer, mai ikal meimar." According to the Shita Chacham, that whole that the mechitza is not chotzetzes inside the tanur. And that's because lav mina lo machriv ba, right? We said that a mechitza is not the same as a kli. It's from a different world. And therefore it's lo machriv ba, cannot stop the tumor from spreading. And then we understand why Rav says that there's a difference between that and machsheves chulin etzel kodshim. No, I'm sorry. The similarity of Rav and the analogy to a machsheves chulin etzel kodshim, because chulin is lav mina and eno machriv ba, and therefore it's not considered a machshava poselos a machshava shelo lishma. Aval Rabbi Lezer, according to Rabbi Lezer, holds that a mechitza is a chotzetz, and therefore those kalim on the other side of the mechitza inside the tanur are not tamei, and therefore he's holding that lav mina is still machriv ba, and it stops the tumah from spreading. Michael of Meimer, how are you going to understand the ruling of Rav that if he has machsheves chulin, which is therefore lav mina, and it's lav machriv ba, it doesn't pass the carbon? How could Rav say something that it's against Rabbi Eliezer? Because Rabbi Eliezer's principle that underlies his ruling is that lav mina machriv ba. Rav is holding lav mina edo machriv ba, but Rabbi Eliezer holds lav mina machriv ba. And this is where we'll stop for today, because the Gemara is going to now go into a whole analysis of Rabbi Eliezer. Is Rabbi Eliezer based on lav mina machriv ba, or is based on a certain kal v'chomer? That's what we'll see in Mirza Hashem. B'li tomorrow, same time, same station. Wishing you a great day.